How to get 0.5 on Snapchat Android. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So for that, you can open up Snapchat first. And then once you open up Snapchat, you should be finding this interface. So in order to get 0.5, at this right side of your screen, you should be finding different options. Drop it down. And when you drop it down, if you have the option of ultra wide camera icon, you may go ahead and tap on it and do that. Otherwise, what you can do is simply pinch and zoom out the camera. So you may pinch in or zoom out, and then you should be able to get 0.5. And the other thing is, you need to ensure that your phone has a lens capable of taking 0.5x shots, as not all phones have this feature. So that is how you get 0.5 on Snapchat Android. If it is not working, you may go ahead and check if your phone's camera app to see if it has a 0.5x or ultra wide camera option or not. So that's it for now. You can follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.